Boycott China movement, which has essentially gathered steam in India, and China has already started worrying about its trade with India. That's what China essentially fears at this point in time. Chinese mouthpiece Global Times has put out, and I quote, China India highly complementary in business and trade. Impact can be huge if bilateral relations don't return to normal. Analysts said predicting bilateral trade may drop 20% this year if situation remains unclear. It does appear at this point in time, Tejinder, that the message from the Ministry of External Affairs as well as the government of India is concerned has gone strong, and perhaps the message has reached home in China.
See, Shravan, for this we need to understand that the Communist Party of China and how the business houses in China work. Basically, all the major business houses are controlled by the office bearers of the Chinese Communist Party. So clearly now when the people across the country and the Indian government has decided to hit them hard economically, the Chinese Communist Party, and which controls most of the business houses in China, has started worrying. And this tweet which the mouthpiece of Chinese Communist Party, Global Times, has put clearly shows how worried the Chinese Communist Party is. As per this tweet, China India highly complementary in business and trade. Impact can be huge if bilateral relations don't return to normal. They are quoting it to analysts said predicting bilateral trade may drop 20% this year if situation remains unclear. So clearly just within few hours after the Indian External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar held a telephonic conversation with his counterpart, this is the statement which has been put on the mouthpiece of Chinese Communist Party. So now the Chinese Communist Party, they have already started worrying, and they know that India is going to hit them at the place where it is going to hurt them the most. So that is to weaken the Chinese economy. We know that since morning we have been seeing how people are holding protests across the country. People are boycotting Chinese products. People are saying that we should boycott Chinese businesses. So China has now started worrying. You can see that they are saying that it would reduce the business by 20%. So clearly China has started worrying, but also now China needs to take those steps which were agreed on when the commanders of both the armies, they met on June 6. We know that it was China which violated the agreement when the Indian troops went to tell the Chinese counterpart that they should get their tents removed, which they have illegally erected on Indian soil. They were attacked by the Chinese army, and 20 of our brave hearts, they attained martyrdom. But not before fighting, giving it back to Chinese. We know that the unofficial figures keep the count of those Chinese soldiers who have died, more than 50. What is the unofficial figure? Though the Chinese side, they haven't released any figures of their casualties. So it clearly shows that China is not worried about its soldier. What China is worried, they are worried about their business. We can see that large number of tweets, statements, articles are being written on how the impact of this clashes would be on on the business between both the countries. So China is now worried, and that is why their mouthpiece has put this tweet. Yes, Shravan.
All right, thank you so much, Tejinder, as well as Shravan, for getting us all those updates. We'll slip into a short break now, viewers. We'll come back to this very important story that we are tracking.